Hello, this is TAW691 here once again, showing off some of my rare collectibles. Now, I know a lot of people on YouTube, they collect stuff as far as imports go and whatnot. Well, I figured, why not? Collect up on some of this stuff myself. Well, here we have the Family Computer, which is the Japanese Nintendo. It was created in 1983, and of course, unlike the Nintendo, the controllers are hardwired. And of course, everybody has done a review on this thing. Unfortunately, mine does not work. I do have two Famicom games. Of course, there's Super Mario Bros. 3, everybody's favorite. And then there's Block, which is, I believe, Stack 'em. Or Stack Up. I think it's Stack Up. That was for Rob the Robot. And, of course, I have the cartridge converters. This one is 72 to 60 pin, which you can play all of your Nintendo games on a Famicom. There's the 60 pin to 72 pin. And it makes it a lot easier because they give you a ribbon to pull everything out. And then there's 60 to 72 pin, which this one is, oh no, okay. This one is the converter that you plug into your Famicom for the NES cartridges. That's right, I messed that up. This one is for your Famicom cartridges to plug into your Nintendo. That's why you have the ribbon to pull it out. Sorry. Okay, and of course, as some of you may or may not know about this game, Gyromite. Well, see, make a long story short, back when the Nintendo was supposed to be released, some cartridges were built from the Japanese version of Gyromite. Well, here's one of those cartridges. Now, the screws are already taken out, all five screws, and you reveal the Japanese cartridge put into a converter that's just screwed right into a regular NES cartridge. And yes, this was the first converter that I got, and Super Mario 3 plays excellent. Perfect. And then there was a lot I bought off of eBay a couple months back. No, actually it was like a year ago, where I got some Dragon Ball Z games for the PlayStation. They're Japanese. Here I have Dragon Ball Final Bout, which is very hard to find, even American. Here's Japanese. I don't have a Japanese PlayStation, so I cannot play it, but collector's items is just as good. Then I also have Dragon Ball Z Ultimate Battle 22, which is a fairly good fighter. That one is also Japanese. And I got Dragon Ball Z 2 and 3 for the Super Famicom. Now these, and I don't know, also, if you don't know, if you take a regular NES or Super Nintendo and you cut the tabs out of the inside, these will fit perfect with no problem. And that is, if some of you have not seen, this is a Super Famicom cartridge. It's fairly simple. There's no screws to it, you just have to pop it apart. There's part 2, and as soon as I can pull it out, here is part 3. I got this very, very cheap from a seller from California. He no longer wanted these. This one, the book is a little bit stained, but considering the age of this, from 1994, it's in excellent condition. And here is the cartridge, and these are mint condition. I got these very, very cheap. And they both play perfect. Okay, that is my rare games. I know before I said I was going to just put up regular games, but I figured, what the hell, why not? Okay, this is TAW691, signing off. I will make a video very, very soon. See ya.